It's a song about somebody that I thought I knew.
There is a girl. To me she meant all the world.
No, he's a much better singer than he is stalker, and he's a really good stalker.
I came to see she's not who I thought she'd be.
We don't know this is about you.
There was a time when all I knew was Sydney, you're so fine. Sydney, you're one of a kind, but it's not true.
I guess it's about you.
I barely knew you, but I tried. Who could have known I'd be denied by a woman who in truth is nothing but cold and aloof.
God, he's hot.
Hey,